Hey everyone, it's Next Bay Name here. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing around like a hyper-caffeinated hummingbird, the influence of AI on the job market. It's a question that's both exciting and kinda terrifying, right? Will robots really replace human jobs? Are we all destined to become professional cat video watchers in the age of AI overlords? Don't hit that unsubscribe button just yet. We're going to explore the industries most impacted by AI, from manufacturing to healthcare to finance. We'll separate the hype from the reality and hopefully gain a better understanding of what the future holds for us humans in the workforce. Let's do this. First up, let's talk manufacturing. This industry has been intertwined with automation for decades, but AI is taking things to a whole new level. Think smart robots that can learn tasks, adapt to changes in the production line, and even collaborate with their human co-workers. It's pretty mind-blowing stuff, but it also begs the question, are these robots coming for our jobs? Well, the reality is more nuanced than a dystopian sci-fi flick. While it's true that AI-powered automation might displace some traditional manufacturing jobs, it's also creating new opportunities in areas like robot maintenance, software development, and data analysis. Essentially, the manufacturing landscape is shifting, requiring workers to adapt and upskill. It's kind of like how the invention of the printing press didn't destroy the need for communication. It just revolutionized how we do it. Next, let's navigate the wild world of customer service. Remember the days when you'd spend hours on hold desperately wishing for a human voice on the other end of the line? Well, AI is changing that, for better or worse. Chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated, handling everything from answering basic questions to resolving complex issues. They're available 24/7, never need a coffee break, and can even analyze customer data to provide personalized support. But hold on a second, does this mean the end of human interaction as we know it? Not necessarily. While AI is great at handling routine tasks, there are still times when nothing beats the empathy and understanding of a real, live human being. And let's be honest, sometimes we just need to vent to someone who gets it, even if that someone is a customer service representative who secretly wishes they were off writing poetry. Chapter 3. Now let's move on to a field where the stakes are incredibly high: healthcare. AI is poised to revolutionize everything from diagnostics to drug discovery to robotic surgeries. Imagine a world where algorithms can detect diseases earlier than ever before, robots can perform complex procedures with incredible precision, and personalized medicine becomes the norm. It sounds like something out of Star Trek, right? But this is the potential of AI in healthcare. It could free up doctors and nurses from repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on patient care, research, and those complex cases that require a human touch. But, and this is a big but, AI in healthcare raises a lot of ethical questions. How do we ensure these technologies are accessible to everyone, not just the privileged few? How do we deal with issues of data privacy and security? And perhaps most importantly, how do we maintain the human connection in an increasingly digitized healthcare system? Chapter 4. Hold on tight, because AI is about to take us for a wild ride in the world of transportation. From self-driving cars to AI-powered traffic management systems, the way we get from point A to point B is about to undergo a major transformation. Imagine a world without traffic jams, where your car can navigate you through rush hour while you catch up on your favorite podcasts. Imagine a world where logistics are optimized, reducing delivery times and carbon emissions. That's the promise of AI in transportation. But, and you knew there was a but coming, there are challenges to address. How do we ensure the safety of self-driving vehicles? How do we deal with the potential job displacement of truck drivers and taxi drivers? These are questions we need to grapple with as we navigate this brave new world of AI-powered transportation. Chapter 5. Last but not least, let's talk about AI's impact on the world of finance. From algorithmic trading to fraud detection, AI is already transforming how the financial sector operates. Imagine algorithms analyzing massive data sets to identify market trends, making investment decisions with lightning-fast speed and accuracy. Imagine AI systems detecting fraudulent transactions before they even happen, protecting consumers and businesses alike. That's the potential of AI in finance, and I think you can guess where this is going, this technology also comes with risks. What happens when algorithms make mistakes? How do we prevent bias from creeping into these systems, and how do we ensure that AI in finance benefits everyone, not just a select few? So, will AI make us all jobless? The truth is, while some jobs may be replaced, new opportunities will also arise. The key is to be adaptable, embrace lifelong learning, and focus on developing skills that complement AI, not compete with it. Think of it this way: the future of work won't be humans versus robots. It'll be humans and robots working together to solve problems, innovate, and create a better future. Stay tuned to our channel for more insights into the future of work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to explore. Thanks for watching.